Before I start this video, I actually found a print date on this VHS of IQ. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I actually found a print date right here, and the print date is August 26, 1996. If I get this closer with one hand, it's hard doing this. Oh. This is actually my Blu-ray player remote, so I actually programmed it. And, yeah. And I'm going to use my Sylvania DVD player for this video. It works pretty good. Anyways, this is the opening for 1999 DVD of Top Dog. And enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, smash the like button, and share. And I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Enjoy the opening. I also forgot to mention that I have my VCR moved over here. So if you've seen some of my videos where I had the VCR right here, the silver one, I had moved right over there, so I moved it over here, and it works on there really good. By the way, that's my speakers right here. That's my AV splitter. So, yeah. Well, there you go, everyone. That was the opening for Top Dog. Like, comment, subscribe, share, smash the like button, all that. And I'll see you all later on YouTube. And, yeah.